Canada's healthcare system is often cited as one of the country's greatest achievements. Known for its universal coverage and commitment to providing high-quality care to all citizens, Canada's healthcare system is a point of pride for many Canadians. The Canadian healthcare system is publicly funded, which means that healthcare services are paid for through taxes rather than through private insurance or out-of-pocket payments. This ensures that all citizens have access to the care they need, regardless of their ability to pay. One of the key features of Canada's healthcare system is its emphasis on primary care. Primary care providers, such as family physicians and nurse practitioners, serve as the first point of contact for patients and are responsible for coordinating their care. This helps to ensure that patients receive the appropriate care and services they need, when they need it. Another important aspect of Canada's healthcare system is its commitment to preventive care. This includes regular checkups, screenings, and vaccinations, as well as programs to promote healthy lifestyle choices. By investing in preventive care, Canada is able to reduce the burden of disease and illness, and help people live healthier lives. In addition to primary and preventive care, Canada's healthcare system also provides access to specialized care, such as surgery, diagnostic imaging, and rehabilitation services. These services are provided through hospitals and specialized clinics, and are generally covered by the public healthcare system. One interesting aspect of Canada's healthcare system is the role of community health centers. These centers provide a range of services, including primary care, mental health services, and community outreach programs. They are often located in underserved communities, and work to improve access to care and address the social determinants of health. Despite its many successes, Canada's healthcare system is not without its challenges. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring timely access to care. Wait times for elective procedures, such as hip replacements and cataract surgery, can be long, and this can lead to frustration and dissatisfaction among patients. Efforts are underway to address this issue, such as implementing wait time guarantees and increasing the number of healthcare providers. Another challenge is ensuring equitable access to care. Indigenous peoples, rural and remote communities, and low-income individuals may face additional barriers to accessing healthcare services. Addressing these disparities is an ongoing priority for Canada's healthcare system. Here are top 12 hospitals for each province, territory with contact URL. 1. British Columbia, Vancouver General Hospital. Website: https://www.vch.ca/locations-and-services/find-locations/details/Vancouver-General-Hospital. 2. Alberta, Foothills Medical Center. Website: https://www.albertahealthservices.ca/findhealth/service.aspx?id=10264424 and service-site-facility=104539# content start. 3. Saskatchewan, Royal University Hospital. Website: https://www.saskatoonhealthregion.ca/locations_services/ra/pages/home.aspx. 4. Manitoba, St. Boniface Hospital. Website: https://www.sbgh.mb.ca/. 5. Ontario, Toronto General Hospital. Website: https://www.uhn.ca/ourhospitals/tgh/pages/default.aspx. 6. Quebec, McGill University Health Center. Website: https://muhc.ca/. 7. New Brunswick, St. John Regional Hospital. Website: https://en.horizon-nb.ca/home/facilities-and-services/St. John-regional-hospital.aspx. 8. Nova Scotia, QEII Health Sciences Center. Website: https://www.cdha.nshealth.ca/k. 9. Prince Edward Island, Queen Elizabeth Hospital. Website: https://www.princedwardisland.ca/n/information/health-pay/Queen-Elizabeth- Hospital. 10. Newfoundland and Labrador, Health Sciences Center. Website: https://www.easternhealth.ca/locations.aspx?d=1 and id=76 and p=25. 11. Yukon, Whitehorse General Hospital. Website: https://www.yukonhospitals.ca/whitehorse-general-hospital. 12. Northwest Territories, Stanton Territorial Hospital. Website: https://www.nthssa.ca/n/health-services/hospitals/stanton-territorial-hospital.aspx. Overall, Canada's healthcare system is a source of pride for many Canadians and serves as a model for countries around the world. With its emphasis on primary and preventive care, commitment to universal coverage, and investment in community health, Canada's healthcare system continues to provide high-quality care to its citizens. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Canada has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Canada, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link: https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse team at Vancouver, Canada, CA.